In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online to create and track your invoices. Whether you're just starting out with QuickBooks Online or looking to fine-tune your invoicing process, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the essential tasks. Invoices are at the heart of managing your business finances, so getting this right can save you time while ensuring your cash flow stays on track. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your QuickBooks Online account. At the top left corner of your screen, you'll see a button labeled New. Click on it to bring up a drop-down menu of options. From this menu, select Invoice. This will open up a new invoice template ready for you to fill in. Once the invoice template is open, start by entering the customer's name. If the customer is already in your database, QuickBooks will auto-populate their details for you. Next, input the details of the product or service you provided. Be sure to include a clear description along with the pricing for each item or service. If applicable, add any taxes that apply to the transaction. You can also include any discounts you've agreed upon with the customer. Take your time to ensure all the information is complete and accurate. After you've filled out the invoice, it's important to review everything carefully. Double-check all the details, including the customer's name, the pricing, and any taxes or discounts. This will help avoid mistakes and ensure your invoice is correct and professional. Once you're satisfied with the information, go ahead and save the invoice. QuickBooks Online will store it securely, so you can access it whenever you need to. Now that your invoice is saved, it's time to track it. To do this, navigate to the Sales section in QuickBooks Online. You can find this by looking at the left-hand panel and clicking on Sales. Within the Sales section, click on the Invoices tab. This will show you a list of all the invoices you've created. From here, you can view the status of each invoice. QuickBooks Online makes it easy to stay organized by allowing you to sort or filter your invoices. For example, you can filter them by customer, by date, or by payment status. This is especially helpful when you need to locate specific invoices quickly. While reviewing your invoices, pay close attention to any that are outstanding or overdue. These are invoices where payments haven't been received yet or are past the due date. Identifying these quickly allows you to follow up with your customers and take the necessary steps to ensure payments are made. And that's it. You now know how to create, save, and track invoices in QuickBooks Online. This process not only keeps your business organized, but also helps you maintain healthy cash flow. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.